turn off the ignition. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. Take off the plastic engine cover. You should now be able to easily see the airbox to change the filter. Unclip the primer pump and pivot it so it doesn't get in the way during the next steps of the process. You then need to remove the turbo supply conduit. To do this, release the two clamping clips using a medium-sized flathead screwdriver. At the center of this conduit, there's also a connection to the cylinder head cover that must be undone. To do this, pull the white plastic holding spur upwards and then disconnect on both sides in order to remove it. Using a multi-bit screwdriver and an 8mm socket, take off the 3 holding screws on the supply conduit collector. Pay attention to the lower screw, which could easily fall into the engine when being removed. Once free, pivot the collector onto its side so that it doesn't get in the way during removal. Remove the 3 screws on the air filter flange with a 25mm Torx screwdriver. Then take off the flange, inclining it upwards and pulling it towards you. Compare the new filter with the old one to ensure that they are identical. To take off the air filter, take it out of the compartment. Slide it out on the right where there is more space. It is important to clean off the remaining impurities from inside the filter compartment. To put the new one in place, slide it in from the right of the compartment. Ensure that the rubber washer goes into the right place. This will help you to put the flange back on more easily. Apply the same technique to fix the air filter flange. Then screw the 3 Torx screws with your screwdriver. Put the turbo air supply conduit back in place, starting with the 2 upper screws. Take a piece of paper towel and fold it in 4s. Lay it flat on the socket, then insert the head of the nut, forcing it into the socket. Magic! It holds all by itself. Put the primer pump back in place. Place the turbo air supply conduit and reclip the part that goes into the cylinder head cover. Screw both of the clamping clips in place using the flathead screwdriver. Operation completed.